Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our online teaching class. And our subject for today is social studies. Okay, and now we are still in Unit 4, History. Okay, we are going to review again Unit 4, History for your final test. Before we go to our topic, let's have vocabulary words. Everybody, repeat after me. History.
History.
Very good.
History.
Everybody spell the word history. H I
Histor. History.
History.
inside.
ประวัติศาสตร์ประวั
Very
ติ
good.
ศาสตร์
Next,
ประวัติศาสตร์
measure.
measure
Everybody spell the word measure. M E.
measure measure
Very good. Measure inside.
วัดวัดเมือง
Okay.
What movement?
Next, everybody read time.
time
Time.
time เวลา
Okay. Everybody spell the word time. T I.
time time
Very good. Inside.
เวลา
Okay. Very good.
That's
Now
good.
read in
Wala.
English. Read inside. Go. History.
history
Inside.
ประวัติศาสตร์
Very good. Okay. Next, measure.
measure
Inside.
วัดเมือง
Time.
time
Inside.
เวลา
Okay, now let's go to our topic. Our topic for today is all about measuring time. Okay. Then before we go to our topic, so let's define history. Everybody read history means what happened before. Go. History.
History means what happened before.
Okay, who is that? Very good. I have
Before.
only one student. 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
Everybody read.
we have
Go.
only one student.
History. Go.
History means what happened before.
Okay, history means what happened before. So history,
Oy.
it's in the past. We study history over time. When we know how to measure time, then we can talk about history. For example, look at here. Let's measure time. 365 days is equal to 1 year. Do you understand? 365 days or 366 days is equal to 1 year. Okay? Then 10 years is equal to 1 decade. Okay?
What is decade?
Okay? Decade in Thai, I'm going to translate it to you so that it's better to understand. Okay? Decade,
ห้าเนาะ
translate in Thai.
ห้าปี
Okay? In Thai.
ทศวรรษหนึ่งเลยเหรอเรายังอยู่
Okay, very good. So
What
it means in one decade, okay, you have
decade,
you have 10 years. Okay, we have 10 years. Okay, remember that. Then 100 years is equal to 1 century or a century. Do you understand?
what is century
Okay, century. Now, century
น่าจะหนึ่งชาติ
in Thai.
ศตวรรษ
Again,
ศตวรรษ
okay, very good.
วัดทศก็คือ
Next,
โอเค
10 K
1,000 years is equal to
what a year
1 millennium.
what is millennium
Okay, what is millennium? A millennium, it means
แน่
in Thai.
สหัสวรรษ
Again,
โอ้นาน
please.
มากเลยนะเนี่ย
Okay, it's equal to 1,000 years.
teacher 100 million news teacher
Okay, listen first. Okay, Noto. Again, keep quiet first. So, for example, okay, here. Okay, so 10 years is equal to 1 decade. What if? Okay, listen. Okay, wait. going to use my pen. For example, here, what if it's two two decades? How many years? In 2 decades, how many years are there?
ถ้าเขาบอกอะไรไปต้องเชื่อหมดเลย
How many years are there in 2 decades? How many years?
20 years.
Again, very good. Is equal to 20 years. Okay, because 1 decade is equal to 10 years. What if 3 decades? How many years are there? 3 decades. How many years?
30 years.
Very good. It's 30 years. Okay. What if? How many decades are there in 50 years? 50 years. How many? In 50 years, how many decades?
5 decades.
Very good. It's 5 decades. Okay. What if, okay, in 100 years is equal to 1 century, right? Okay, now, how many years are there in 3 centuries?
300 years.
Again,
300
300
years.
years. What if there are, okay, how many years are there? 4 centuries.
400 years.
Very
400
good.
years.
400 years. For example, how many centuries are there in 10 decades? Or,
10 decades.
yes,
One.
10 decades. How
One
many
century.
century? Okay,
One
very
century.
good. It's equal to 1 century. And for example, in 1,000 years is equal to 1 millennium. Okay, how many millenniums are there if it is 2,000 years?
2 million years.
Very good. Okay, 2 millennium.
Teacher,
Okay,
how about 1 billion years?
okay, you can answer that later. Okay, because it's not our topic. Okay, here are some more examples. For example, 4 weeks is equal to
For 1
1
month.
month. 12 months is equal to 1 year.
1 year is
And 10 decades is equal to 1 century.
century.
And 10 centuries is equal to 1
1 millennium.
millennium. Okay, example. Another one, Buddhist calendar versus Gregorian calendar. Yes, versus it means they have similarities, okay? Or they have, okay, same calendar, but they have not same in counting. For example, calendar in Thai is what they call patitin. Very good. It is a
You can
system
say Thai.
used to measure time. So calendar, it's very important because we know how to use the calendar to know what date is it today. Okay? Calendar help us measure time. There are two main types of calendar, the Buddhist calendar and the Gregorian calendar. Okay? Remember that, okay? Buddhist calendar and the Gregorian calendar. So this one, look at here. On the left side, on your laptop or in your phone, it's the Gregorian calendar. And over here, it's the Gregorian calendar. So in Buddhist calendar, this system came from Buddhism, from Lord
พระพุทธ
Buddha.
เจ้า
Yes,
บุดา
okay, Prabhupada, okay.
So
And
you
this
can
one,
Thai.
this system came from Christianity, okay, and the leader here of Christianity is Jesus Christ, or in Thai, they call him Payesu.
Sir, you from Christianity.
Yes, I am from Christianity. That's why my name is
ไม่รู้ว่าห
Christian.
นามด้วยยังใจ
Okay,
ร้าย
so
อ่ะ
these are the differentiate. Okay, in Buddhist calendar, this system came from the Buddhism. The calendar that they use, it's from Buddhist. If you follow the teaching of Buddha, if you are a Buddhist, you follow the teaching of Lord Buddha. It means you know how to use the Buddhist calendar. Okay, patitin. Patitinput, okay, in Thai, okay, and this
Patitinput.
and in Gregorian calendar, okay, it's a Christian calendar or Gregorian calendar, okay.
Okay.
Next one, in Buddhist calendar, the first year started after Lord Buddha's death. Understand? This, okay, when Lord Buddha died, okay, the Buddhist calendar started. And the Gregorian calendar, the first year started after Jesus Christ's birth. Do you understand? Now, teacher, what goes first, the Buddhist calendar or the Gregorian calendar? For example, okay, I'm going to make a timeline here. Okay, for example, look at here. And this is a line. Okay, what year is it today now? What year? What year now? It's 2000 and what? What year is it today?
21.
2021. Very good. And for example, over here, it's zero. Okay. In here, in zero here, the first year started, it's Jesus Christ's birth. So Jesus Christ, it's here. Okay, Jesus Christ, he was born here. Then the Christian calendar or the Gregorian calendar is started. So what's teacher, what is the Gregorian calendar? Listen, this is the Gregorian calendar. Do you see my map? Okay, this is my desktop. This is the Gregorian calendar. Okay? And this one, I'm going to show to you the Buddhist calendar. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm going to show to you. And this one, it's the Buddhist calendar. I think it's also the same, but I'm going to, or Thai calendar. Okay, Thai calendar. It looks like this one also. Okay, they have Thai, but also same as the Gregorian calendar. For example, okay,
สิงหาคม
okay, this one now. Okay, then Lord Buddha died here. Okay, this one over here. So Lord Buddha, when okay, he died here, the Buddhist calendar started. Okay, then after that, the Gregorian calendar, when Jesus Christ was born, the Gregorian calendar started already. Example, okay, we write the letters BE after the year. BE, it means Buddhist era. Okay, understand? It's Buddhist era. For example, over here, look at this calendar. 2562. So this one, it's the Thai calendar. For example, okay, another one. We write the letters AD after the year. AD, it means Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord. So this one, it's the Gregorian calendar. Do you understand? This one's the Buddhist calendar.
So why number of Gregorian calendar is very small?
Okay, it's also the same, okay? But this one, it's normal calendar only. As you can see, this one, it's written in Thai. Okay, and this one, it's written in English. In the month also, it's written in Thai, and this one is written, okay, it's written in English. For example, okay, 2021 AD. So this one, it means it's the Gregorian calendar. When you write 2021 BE, it means they are not the same. Okay, they are not the same because this one
Teacher,
it's BE and this one it's AD. Do you understand? Yes?
yes. May I go to the toilet, please?
Okay, you can if you want to go to the toilet, you can go. Okay? Don't tell
Okay.
to me, okay? Because I am teaching here. Okay? Next one. Buddhist calendar, it is used in Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and in Thailand. But if you're going to use the Buddhist calendar in the other country, like in America or Europe or China, they don't know how to use the Buddhist calendar. Okay? And Gregorian calendar, it is used in the Western countries, like in America, Europe, or all around the world. Okay, even here in Thailand, they know how to use the Gregorian calendar. Okay, next. The Buddhist calendar is 543 years ahead of the Gregorian calendar. For example, 2559 BE is the same year as the 2016 AD. Understand? Or 2564 BE is the same as 2021 AD. Do you understand? In Thai, this is the year today, now. And this one, in the Gregorian calendar, now, today, this is the year 2021 AD. Do you understand? For example, okay, we're going to minus. Okay, minus 9 minus 6 is equal to, answer, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, right? 5 minus 1 equals to 4. And bring down 0. If you can see, it's 543, wait, 543 years ahead of the Gregorian calendar. Even if you're going to minus this one, 25, okay, 64 minus 2021. Answer? Answer? 4 minus 1 equals to
3.
3. Very good. Then 6 minus
4.
2, 4. And another one.
My answer is
Okay, 5. Bring down 5. It's also 543 years. Okay, now let's do a word wall activity.
ทุกคนพอเถอะพอ
Okay, this one. Then I'm going to share my screen here so that you can hear the sound. Okay, then after that we play, I'm going to send the link to you. So please turn off your microphone first so that we can hear each other. It is used in measuring time. Calendar, ruler, weighing scale.
Where scale?
Are you sure?
Huh? Calendar.
yes teacher
Calendar.
west scale
Noto, one more time, I will pull you out. Okay, please answer it correctly.
1 คะแนน
Next. It happened, is what happened in the past, future, present, or history.
พอดี
History.
history
Correct answer is history.
history
Correct.
ได้หนึ่งแปดบวก
Gregorian calendar came from Buddhism, Gregorian, or Christianity.
Christianity.
Okay, Christianity. Correct. Next.
What?
The Gregorian calendar started after the blank. Jesus Christ's birth, Lord Buddha's death, or Western countries.
Jesus Christ's birth,
Okay? Jesus Christ's birth is the correct answer.
Well,
BE is used in Gregorian calendar,
Buddhism.
Buddhist calendar, or time.
Buddhist calendar.
Buddhist calendar.
Okay? Buddhist calendar. Bonus round. Look for 100 points, okay? Which one?
Number three.
3?
Three.
Five.
Three.
3?
Three. Two.
No, 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 no.
AD means what?
AD is after birth.
Anno Domini.
B.
Oh.
Okay. Next.
ทำไมเวลาติดเวลาเล่นตอบคำถามได้แล้วข้อหนึ่งทำไมต้องมีเสียงแบบนั้นด้วย
Okay, it is used in Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and Thailand.
Myanmar and Thailand.
Buddhist calendar, Gregorian calendar, or Anno Domini.
Buddhist calendar.
Buddhist
Buddhist calendar.
ขอให้
Next.
มีแล้วจะให้พูดสาม
One decade is equal to blank. 365 days, 100 years, or 10 years.
10 years.
10 years
Answer? 10 years. It's correct. Okay, next. Get ready. Question number 9. 100 years is equal to a century, 1 millennium, or 1 decade.
1 million.
Answer?
One. One story.
Letter
1
A.
million.
B
B.
B. 1 million.
1 millennium, not 1 million. Millennium. Okay. Next. 100 years is equal to 1 millennium, 5 decades, or 1 century.
1 century.
1 century
1 century.
บวกหนึ่งคะแนนอีกนี้ชอบแพ้
Okay. After that, you're going to put your name here. For example, my name is teacher. Okay, and press enter. You will see your name here. Okay. Then now I'm going to send the link to you now. Who is this? They are not Chani Karn, Chani Dapar. They are using the chat box. Oh, who is this?
พี่เจ้าได้อันดับ15โอ้โหกัฟนี่ก็ไม่หยุดพิมพ์เนาะ
Yeah. Oh my. Oh.
Okay, 3 more minutes. Who is in the leaderboard?
Teacher, I will keep.
Later, I didn't even see your name on the leaderboard. Did you do the this one word wall activity, Chanidapur? Are you finished?
Uh,
Are you finished, Chanidapur?
yes.
What is your score? What is your score, Chanidapur?
I don't see it.
Huh?
I don't see.
No, so it means you are not yet finished. Okay, because you don't know what's your score.
Teacher, I am finished.
What is your score?
579.
No, it's 579.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Teacher, I play finish now.
What is your score?
I see 147. Huh? I don't know. I
ได้
see
แค่วัน
147
โอ้โหได้แค่ร้อยดีกว่าเองเหรอ
or
100
1000 or 1047?
1047.
Okay,
I
1047.
ยังไม่เห็นเลย
1026.
ไหนเนี่ย
73.
ไหนอะเรายังไม่เห็นเลย เรายังไม่เห็นเลยคะแนนน่ะ
เขาส่งแล้วเขายังเห็นเล
ไหน
ย
เรายังไม่เห็นเลย
Okay, then after this one, going to remove this one
เลยยังไม่
first.
เลื่อนไหนยังไม่เห็นวินนี่เลยไม่เห็นวินนี่
Okay, and now let's do the live worksheet activity. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one now. In live worksheet, okay, you know how to write your name first, write the grade, then your student number. Complete the table by clicking the correct answer. 365 days, Then you're going to choose the answer here. You understand? Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then 10 years it's equal to, you're going to choose here. You're going to click, then choose your answer. Then 100 years is equal to 1 century or 1 decade. 1,000 years, 5 centuries or 1 millennium. 30 years, then you're going to choose 3 centuries or 3 decades. Then, in part 2, drag and drop the missing words on the blanks. You have choices here in the box. Christianity, 543 years, Lord Buddha's death, Buddhist era, and calendar. Blank is a system used to measure time. So for example, this one's a calendar. You are going to drag the answer, calendar. The Gregorian calendar came from Christianity, 543 years, Lord Buddha's death, or Buddhist era. Then after that, you're going to drag your answer. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to answer that. Then after you answer, click finish. Then after you click finish, your score will appear here, and please take a screenshot and paste it in our line group. Do you understand? I'm going to send the link now to you.
Understand.
Okay, so please do it now.